1245. Restate my assumptions. 1. Mathematics is the language of nature. 2. Everything around us can be represented and understood through numbers. 3. If you graph the numbers of any system, patterns emerge. Therefore, there are patterns everywhere in nature.
Please welcome Mr. Joe DiNapoli on stage.
If you've been trading and you don't understand why you're losing, I'm going to show you why you're losing. But you must understand how manipulation works first. What they do is they hammer in exchange with orders so nobody else can get in, and then they manipulate the price with those orders, pull the orders back, and then other people get the bad price. They can cheat, they can lie, but they cannot hide. So we can take this indicator and we can throw it away and never use it again. So if I have this tool, I can front run him. I knew where to buy it before it got there. I knew where to sell it before it got there. And you can do the same damn thing.